Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to use Cortana without voice commands in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. On the list on the left hand side, select Privacy and Security. In the right pane, scroll down to App Permissions. You'll find an option named Microphone. Click on it and most probably the switch associated with Cortana will be switched on. Turn it off. Then return to the Privacy and Security tab once again. Scroll down to App Permissions. This time go to Voice Activation and make sure that the switch associated with Cortana is off. Now if you switched it off for the microphone, automatically it gets switched off for voice activation, but if not, then please switch it off manually. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.